I have about 45 minutes of ride time with this pipe on so far, so I wouldn't say I have enough time for a complete review for this pipe. So next thing we're gonna do is just start it up, let you guys hear it, do a couple revs, let it warm up, and then we're gonna obviously let it hit rev limiter a couple times because that's what everyone wants to hear. So yeah, I'm gonna go get geared up, hop on the bike, throw the GoPro on, and then rip some laps. Let you guys hear the exhaust while it's on the track. Now I know the question you are all probably asking. Did I feel a difference in power? The answer is yes. There was a noticeable pickup in the mid to top end. This let me hold gears longer and really rev the bike out. This really helped in corners where I was able to hold the gears longer, and on straight stretches where I could really let the bike stretch its legs. With this being said, the power gains this pipe gives for the inexpensive price, this is an amazing product to help add power to your RMZ 250. Is it better than other exhaust systems? It's hard to say, and I don't have physical numbers to show you guys. But what I can tell you is that I'm very happy with the gains. I'm going to continue to run this pipe, and eventually I'm going to do a full-blown review on it after probably a few months to a year. I love the performance gains. I'm very happy with it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.